Hi, it's Emily, and so, for any of you that participate in these summer activities, our life is a beating, and we're going to be doing a really awesome routine that helps take the impact out of your knees using the Yamuna black balls. They're small and they can be you can put them in your suitcase. So if you don't really have much room, just take these little babies with you. You can roll them up your spine, and you can. So we're gonna take them. For knees, this can be really tight. So if you want to take, if you have them super inflated, which I do, just take some air to them, and they won't be as intense. So you place one behind one knee and one behind the other. This. And you just sit back with them, like this. And just feel that. Inhale, exhale, come up. And exhale and sit back. It's good for cyclists, anyone who's on their feet a lot. Anyone who has any kind of knee issues, is good for you guys. Bring them up. Bring the balls back. So we're strengthening our knees by doing this. It might seem odd, but we are. Because our knees lubricate them. So it's good to do this. Just stay here and breathe with it. Relax and sink into the ball. This will feel really good after, trust me. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale into the ball. Inhale and exhale. And then bring your body up. Bring the balls back so they're just for your ankles. And just sit back. Up, and then bring them all the way down to your ankles. If you can bring your toes up, that's fine, but you can also just have them bent, or just have your toes down. You want to just sit right in balls. Up. And then take one behind one foot and just kind of wrap your foot around the ball like this. Our ankles take a beating too. Right underneath your ankle like this, just wrap your foot around. And then bring it down. All the way down by your toes. Down. Our big toe. Make sure to do the other foot. Same thing. Wrap your toe around. Wrapping my right toes on the ball. Just feel that. Right ankle too. can just come off and just feel that. You should feel much better. I can already feel like all the blood rushing to my feet and the redness in my toes. All the circulation just created. That felt so good, and everyone can do this. It's accessible. You can purchase all balls and tools from me, and you can learn how to use them. And then you can tell your friends, and the whole world can be a less tight place, because we all deserve to have healthy, pain-free bodies. I don't think it's normal to have pain. I don't think it's normal to hurt from working out. You can be sore, that's fine. But to hurt, I don't really agree with that. So make sure to have a great day, and always take care of your body, and always listen to the signals of when something's not going on. So wonderful. So have a great day, and if you have any questions, do ask me. Once again, I'm a trainer, and I specialize in flexibility and mobility training. I combine active isolated stretching and body rolling, and the two go well together, and I love helping people feel better in their bodies and stretching and strengthening your way to health. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.